cheer and lights throughout Kansas City. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, and here's a few of our favorites. To start us off, I'm standing in the Penguin Playground off of Indian Creek Parkway in Berlin and Olathe, Kansas. This was started in 2004 with just 15 blow-ups and now has over 150 lighted blow-up figures for you to enjoy as you walk through this playground. It also has a donation on the front porch, and they've raised over $25,000 for the Leukemia Society. Let's take a quick look, and then we'll also show you some of our other favorite Kansas City places. Comment below on your favorite place in Kansas City to take in the holiday lights, and whether it's driving through a favorite neighborhood or downtown, we hope you just have time to take in the wonder of the season. Cheers!